Hello. Does the day treat you well?
Do we know each other?
use it.
You're done for. Okay, this one's crazy.
So many weak spots in your defense.
smoke's billowing out the kiln! I can finally craft the pot again! It's time for Grimnir to shine! You know, I wasn't expecting much from a human. But the kiln's smoking again! I was so startled I nearly cracked my head on a bloody pot. It's working well! No, not just well. Perfectly. You have my thanks.
You're welcome.
I know. I'll make one just for you. I'll have it made in no time. And you'll not be disappointed, eh? Hold on, pot! Let's see, where should I start? About bloody time! It's finally done! This'll blow his mind for sure.
Is the pot ready?
You're here! Finally! About time. You see that stone pillar? Move it, and the door will open. The pot's down below. Go fetch it yourself. Might take a bit of muscle. With those arms, you shouldn't have much problem.
Thanks.
Wonder what I could try next.
What is this place?
Oh, you're the one who fixed the kiln! Well now, this is where the iron pots are tested. Heard you've got one of Grimnir's pots. Is that right? I'm telling you, that pot can hold anything, no matter the size or the weight.
Is that possible?
Hard to believe, eh? But you'll see once you try it out yourself. You won't believe your eyes when you just pop this boulder right in. Go on, take out the pot. Now, lift the boulder. If you can manage it. Feels lighter, doesn't it? Open it again, and the boulder will come right out. Use it whichever way you see fit.
Cease this! Or cease to be!
The tanner's short on hides. Ah, there you are. I have something to ask of you. I hear there's a shortage of hide at the tannery. We've got some to spare, and I thought we could share what we have. Helping them out will earn us the townsfolk's trust. I've set aside some hides. Could you take them to the tannery? I trust you'll get them there safely. Need something packed? You've come to the right person. Why carry all? Come back when you've more stuff to leave with me.
I suppose I should make an appearance. Just the one I was looking for. I have a job for you. I hear bandits have been harassing the apothecary lately. If we step in to help, we're sure to build a good relationship with them. And helping people will also send more work our way. Go to the apothecary, learn what you can about those bandits, and tell them to send word to us if they show their faces. Put them to the test. They're keen for the work. Put them... Take care now.
What's going on?
Cliff, have you seen Jan? He didn't look too good earlier. Came asking for coin, but had the eyes of a kicked pup. I brought him food instead, but now he's up and vanished.
Not a surprise. He's likely causing trouble somewhere.
Cliff, Jan's in trouble. Real trouble.
Real trouble.
That idiot's been hauled off to the fighting pits. No time to explain. We need to go. Now. I'll fill you in on the way.
What exactly happened?
Ever hear of the Golden Fist Arena? Big name amongst brawlers. Brutal place. They settle things fist to fist. No steal allowed. Winner walks off with a portion of the wages. That's where Jan is.
Did he break a rule during a fight?
He'd be better off if that were all it was. He got drunk off his arse and stormed into someone else's match. And of all matches, was the bloody finals. Huge purse riding on it. They had to stop the fight because of him. The arena's demanding compensation for the losses. Even if he had coin, you know Jan, he'd sooner fight every one of them than pay a single silver. So, they've locked him up. And it's not just the money. Letting the man who wrecked the final bout walk free would shame the arena. They'll want something from us. Some way to save face.
I don't like the sight of that.
Neither do I. And if we don't get to him fast, it'll make it worse. He's not the type to sit quietly behind bars. If we're slow, this could turn ugly.
Maybe I should tell him to lay off the drink.
If he could do that, we wouldn't be in this mess.
What else do you know about the arena?
Big old place. Been around for ages. Draws fighters from all across Pywell looking to test their skills. So naturally, the wagers get sizable. Becoming the champion of the arena is considered a great honor. But you risk your life in every bout.
Yeah.
Last time I win, half the fighters got dragged out maimed beyond repair. Crowds crave bloodshed, and the arena gladly gives it to them. Rumour has it they've got a shortage of fighters on account of near killing every combatant. He's a tough bastard, but even he can't take on an arena full of brawlers. Maybe we should have begged coin off Carl.
Run!
No, we can't go spending the camp's fund cleaning up Jan's messes. If it comes to coin, we'll figure something out. But we ought to try and fix this by ourselves first.
So you did come running, just like your loud little friend said. How very loyal. Your comrade has cost us a large sum of coin. Now back away. No leniency. Not for this.
Should we tell them the offer?
All right. What do you want?
All we need is a crowd whipped into a betting frenzy.
Meaning?
One of you goes and fights in his place. It's settled. We'll see you inside. Serendipitous meeting.
Do we have another challenger? Fancy giving it a try? Let's have that. I'm just getting warmed up. Planning to join the next bout?
Well, fuck me.
He never struck me as that type of man. But I suppose...
Planning to join the next bout?
I'm gonna have fun with you.
You should have another go.
Are you prepared to face me? Today's worth more than any loot I've ever taken.
Fancy another round?
Are you prepared to face me?
What's wrong?
What a splendid fight!
Idle hands make for a dull mind. I watched the Greymanes in battle. Their skills were beyond.
What a splendid fight!
Hold your ground! If you fall back, that'll be our end! What did we do to deserve this?
Planning to join the next bat?
I'll do it later.
No weapons, no excuses. Bare fists.
Hello, traveller. Enjoying the day? All right.
Light upon you.
Hello! A hearty...
Made it back alive. Made it back alive. Wish I felt good about it.
Good, that more than covers the losses. We'll release your friend.
It's about fucking time. What? You looking to be made a eunuch?
Ah, fuck's sake, you mad bastard. Shut it and walk.
Why? I did nothing wrong.
I'll take him with me.
Aye, he's all yours.
So, why exactly did you cause a scene in the arena?
Oh, Solomon's low-swinging sack. That match made me want to gouge my poor fucking eyes out. Slow feet, stiff stances. The sorry bastards look like drunk goats fighting. Couldn't stand just sitting there, so I offered a bit of friendly advice, eh? And you know what? Cunts told me to get in the ring myself if I was so clever. So fuck it. Give them what they asked for, right? So,
Run!
those two cunts then team up against me.
Yeah.
Coward bastards. So I crack their skulls, and suddenly, I've got the arena's private guard coming after me. So I handled them too. One after another.
Yeah.
Oh, come on! The crowd loved every minute of it. Better than the rubbish they were watching before. I practically sacrificed myself for their entertainment. And instead of thanking me, they stuffed me in a cage barely fit for a fucking dog. Hey, if you're gonna build a cell, at least make it big enough to lie down in, eh? Actually, more I think about it, maybe I should go back and finish the job.
Maybe we should have left you there a bit longer. Yeah, try showing restraint next time.
I'm fucking knackered. Oh, shit! I gotta go see Naira. Gonna shut her up good this time. You know how she is? Starts bragging and never stops. Oh, she heard about this archery contest at some wet-ass noble's manor. She kept bragging on at me she could beat me with her eyes closed. Silly cow.
I was all set to make her eat a big slice of humble pie. But I can't shoot a bow like this. Hey, why don't you go? Kick her ass. I'm sure Naira's already at the manor.
Oh, dear me.
Hello. As you know, my domain is rather vast, and it's been difficult to keep watch over everything of late. You know all too well how those wretched bandits are running wild. We've had no word from the southern fort in days. I'd like you to go and make sure that everything is in order there.
Watch it!
Look, who in their right mind would draw a bow like this?
Naira, come on.
You just... I couldn't even do it if I tried.
It was only
Does a man
one
hit
time.
himself in the face with his own arrow? Truly an art form.
What's happening here?
Help me out here, Cliff.
Hey, get a load of this. There was an archery contest at Lioncrest Manor yesterday. And Dwayne gave everyone a proper show. He smacked himself with his own arrow. How is that even possible?
That's enough, Naira.
And you botched our last hunt too?
She's been at this all day. It was a blustery day, though, right? Huh? Yeah, it might have been.
Truly miraculous. Everyone looses the same arrows. Yet only your shots sail off like leaves in a gale. One might think you're down the wind to your bowstring.
That's enough. I'll win next time, you'll see. Aye, leave it be.
Bold words. Sure you can back them?
Of course. Cliff, you're coming too.
Oh, Mama.
Aye, that's my witness. I'll put an end to that tongue wagging.
Just don't let them see you crying when you lose.
Andrew, keep Naira busy for a bit.
Gladly. Take your time coming back.
She'll... Milk one mistake for a lifetime, I swear. Sure, I may have made us lose that deer we'd been stalking for days. But Naira and Jan gave me enough trouble for it. I've paid my dues. Besides, swords are more my specialty. I know if I can get a win, she'll shut her mouth for good.
A proper duel wouldn't be the worst idea.
You know, no, that's not bad. Yeah, we can settle it when we get back. Prove that I'm the better warrior. She's always been like this. She's just like Jan. Who else would put up with her boss? But first, I need to nip this in the bud. This is where you come in, Cliff. You've got to win this for me. Just this once, eh? You're the best archer of any of us.
So that's what this is about.
We'll speak with that servant, enjoy the contest. Make sure you win and put Naira in it, please. Thanks. I'll buy you a round for the trouble.
Holding all sharpshooters. Step right up. When you're ready, we'll begin.
Idle hands make for a dull mind.
I'm ready.
On my mark. Shoot!
I watched the Grey Mains in battle. Their skills.
Don't let this fervor fade. On to the next round.
Give it your all.
I'm ready.
On my mark. Shoot!
Just about managing for now.
That was a great game.
Don't let this fervor fade. On to the next round.
We can't afford to relax.
I'm ready.
On my mark. Shoot! Care to loose a few more arrows? On my mark. Shoot!
Strength like that?
You're not bowing out just yet, are you?